Samsung Galaxy Split Screen feature is a very useful multitasking tool that allows you to use two apps on the same screen at the same time. It helps improve productivity, especially when you need to chat while watching videos, browse the internet while taking notes, or compare information between two apps. To start, first open the app you want to use as your primary app. This can be anything like YouTube, Chrome, or Messages. After opening it, go to the Recent Apps screen. You can do this by tapping the Recent Apps button, usually shown as three vertical lines or a square at the bottom of your screen, or by swiping up and holding if you are using gesture navigation. Once the Recent Apps menu appears, find the app you opened. Tap on the app icon located at the top of its preview window. A small menu will appear, and from there select Open in Split Screen View. This will place the first app in the top or left half of your screen. Next, choose your second app from the list of recent apps or open it from the app drawer. It will automatically fill the remaining half of the screen. Now both apps will run side by side. You can easily adjust the screen size by dragging the blue divider line in the middle. If you want to exit split screen mode, simply drag the divider all the way up or down and one app will close.